I am unworthy, Lord.
A child will be born.
Hearken, people of this city. The time of tribulation is upon you, but redemption is near for those who believe.
The storm is upon us! Look at the sky! It's turning black!
Who is that man?